Welcome to ReciteMail. This is the private drafting assistant that writes email replies in your own voice on your own PC. It sits beside Outlook, Gmail, or any inbox you already use. It never connects to your mailbox, and nothing sends without you. You stay in charge of every email. Over the next 10 minutes, we will set you up properly. Your account, your identity and signature, the past emails that teach it your voice, and then your first draft. If you are setting up a team, Chapter 10 is for you. Solo users can skip that one. Everything you will see uses a demo business called Oakline Studio, a small furniture maker. Let's get started. First, your account. Open Settings from the sidebar and look at the ReciteMail account card at the top of the Profile tab. Click Create Account. Enter your email and a password. Then check your inbox for the verification email and click the link inside. Back in the app, click Start 7-Day Trial. The trial is free for 7 days, 20 drafts a day, no card needed. You can see your remaining drafts on this card at any time. One thing worth knowing, this account is only for drafting and billing. It is completely separate from your email accounts, which ReciteMail never touches. ReciteMail behaves like a quiet utility, rather than another window fighting for space. It lives in your system tray. Press Ctrl-Alt-G to summon it, and press the same keys to dismiss it. Closing the window just tucks it back into the tray. You will also notice a small floating bar that stays on top of whatever you are working in. Its buttons drop straight into Compose. Snip a region of your screen, dictate a brief, or read a window. If the bar is not for you, close it and it stays off. All of this is adjustable under Settings, then Window Behavior. There, you can also turn on Hide when I click away, which makes the window vanish the moment you click into another app. And whenever you want a refresher, Settings has a Take the Tour button under Getting Started. Now teach it who you are. In Settings, open the Profile tab and find Your Identity. Enter your name, your email address, and your business name. Then click Save Identity. This matters more than it looks. It is how ReciteMail knows which messages in your history were written by you and which came from customers. Next, scroll to Email Signature. Paste your real signature straight from your email client, logo and formatting included. Then click Save Signature. From now on, every draft you copy out of ReciteMail carries your signature automatically. What you paste into your inbox is the finished email. We are pasting the Oakline Studio demo signature here, and you can watch the formatting survive the trip. Here is the step that makes ReciteMail sound like you rather than a robot. Importing your past email. Open the Library tab. Click How to Export and pick your provider. The guide walks you through Outlook, Gmail, Apple Mail, and more, step by step. Once you have an export file, click Import Files or use Import Folder for a whole folder of messages. Your Sent folder is the gold. Those are emails written in your voice. Every future draft samples them, so the phrasing, the warmth, and the length match how you actually write. Everything you import is stored encrypted on this device, and it is never uploaded in bulk anywhere. After importing, click Rescan Senders once. Every message then gets labeled correctly using the identity you just saved. The more history you give it, the more it sounds like you. A few hundred sent emails is a great start. 2 more inputs pay off every single day. First, company facts, back in the Profile tab. Write down the plain facts of your business. Your returns window, your lead times, your opening hours. Drafts can then state these to customers confidently, instead of leaving blanks for you to fill. Second, templates in the sidebar. Click New Template for the replies you send often. Click Import to bring in template files you already have. And here is the important part. A template is a guide, not a script. The assistant reshapes it around each real email, fills in the details, and keeps your voice. The 10th customer never receives word for word what the first one did. Next, the people around your business. In Settings, find Suppliers and Contacts and click Manage Contacts. Add your regular suppliers, clients, and partners with their email domains and a line about what they do. Pin the ones you deal with most. Why bother? Because drafts get smarter about relationships, and one guardrail is worth hearing twice. When you write to a customer, a related contact is used as private background only. Your supplier is never named to the customer. If you resell or dropship, that protection is built in. Finally, banned words. Add the words you never want in a draft, with separate lists for customers and for contacts. If a banned word ever slips through, the draft warns you before you copy it. Time for the main event. Open Compose. First, choose who this is for. Reply to customer or write to a contact for suppliers and partners. Now, brief the assistant. Click the microphone and just say what you want to get across, in your own words. Tell her the table shipped this morning and apologize for the delay. That kind of thing. You are not dictating the email. The assistant writes the full reply from your brief. Prefer typing? Type the brief instead, same box. Then show it the email you are answering. The fastest way is snip. Press Ctrl-Alt-S, drag a box over the email on your screen, and it lands in Compose. Pick a tone if the moment needs one, then click Create Draft. A few seconds later, your reply is there, in your voice, subject line included. And the reply comes out in whatever language you briefed in. A Spanish brief gets a Spanish email. Happy with it? Click Copy to Clipboard and paste it into your email client. Formatting and signature come along. You send from your own inbox, like always. A quick tour of the power tools. Read My Screen captures a window you pick, your inbox for example, then drafts straight from it with no copying at all. Search the web for facts looks up real product details when a customer asks something technical, with sources shown for your own check. Once a draft lands, you can refine it without starting over. Highlight a sentence and click Paraphrase Selection for instant rewrites. Type an instruction like, make it firmer about the deadline and click Revise. The translate menus work in both directions. Translate an incoming email so you understand it, or translate your finished draft before it goes out. And if you are curious why a draft sounds the way it does, open references under the draft to see the past threads it learned from. This chapter is for teams. Solo users can skip straight to Chapter 11. Getting a small team onto ReciteMail takes minutes per seat. On your machine, open Settings, then Export and Import Settings. Click Export Team Pack. This file carries your shared templates only. It never includes your identity, your signature, or your imported mail. That makes it safe to hand to anyone on the team. On each team machine, the routine is simple. Install ReciteMail and sign in. Click Import and choose the team pack. Then set that person's own name under your identity and their own signature under email signature. Each person imports their own sent mail. That way, drafts sound like them rather than like you. Agree your banned words together and add them on every machine. That is the whole rollout. Shared templates, personal voices. Last chapter, protecting your setup. Everything ReciteMail stores lives encrypted on this device. For an extra gate, open Settings, then Security, and set an app lock. The simple lock asks for a password when the app opens. The strong lock goes further and encrypts the keys themselves. If you choose strong, write down the recovery code it gives you and keep it somewhere safe, because without your password or that code, your imported mail cannot be recovered. Then make a backup. Export Settings saves your identity, contacts, templates, and signature to a single file you can restore anytime. And that is the full setup. From here, the emails you used to dread become 30-second jobs. If anything is unclear, write to info@recitemail.io and a human answers. Thanks for choosing ReciteMail. Now go empty that inbox.